Welcome to Vivion, your reliable partner for premium wholesale ingredients and chemicals.
Today, we're exploring the benefits of stearic acid and uncovering what sets Vivion apart as your solution for exceptional standardized ingredients. Let's take a closer look at stearic acid.
We maintain a stable supply at each of our various distribution centers.
Stearic acid meets USP and NF standards and is suitable for nutraceutical and pharmaceutical use. This white waxy powder is from plant-based sources like palm. Our stearic acid is non-GMO, kosher certified, and vegan, providing superior purity and quality. Stearic acid functions as a tablet lubricant, helping manufacturers prevent sticking during compression. Though classified as a saturated fatty acid, stearic acid stands out. Research shows it has no adverse effects on cholesterol, distinguishing it from other fats in health-conscious formulations. It's also a naturally occurring compound found in both plant and animal fats. Whether enhancing tablet lubrication, reducing foam, or improving manufacturing consistency, stearic acid is your reliable partner for solid-dose formulations. Vivion, the only ingredients supplier focused on solid-dose applications. Our stearic acid is specifically manufactured for use in tableting and encapsulation for the nutraceutical and pharmaceutical industries. Vivion's commitment to quality is evident in our membership with the Alliance for Chemical Distribution, validating our adherence to corporate governance. Why partner with Vivion for your ingredient needs? Our unwavering dedication to excellence, a heightened level of individualized attention to our clientele, and all of our products are offered at a highly competitive price point. Our extensive documentation and certifications substantiate adherence to stringent technical, qualitative, safety, and regulatory benchmarks. Plus, our seasoned professionals are always ready to address your inquiries and provide the solutions you need. With Vivion, you're choosing on time and accurate deliveries, rapid responses to inquiries, quick lead times, and the flexibility of custom and special blanket orders. With a legacy spanning decades, Vivion is here to meet your ingredient supplier needs. Contact us for a quote today. Call us or submit a form and discover how we can make a difference in your everyday applications. Vivion, ingredient solutions for everyday applications.